Three, two, one. Oh, hey guys, Exploding Creeper here. Sorry, he's bare chest, and he's the new guy, so don't make fun of him. No.
Hello.
And he is with our Exploding Creeper team now. He's not going to be playing PC games really much. We are going to be doing Five Nights at Freddy's today. And did you know that we're going to be doing Five Nights at Freddy's today? The video?
No.
Oh. Well, now he does. And so, yeah, it's Spidey321 and Exploding Withers here. And I hope you like the new 4.0.
No, it's Superman.
Superman?
Wasn't it Superman?
What was your name again?
Superman 521.
Okay, Superman 521. And see you guys next time. Peace.
The streets serve.
Doing what my sister does.